Hi everyone, welcome to the Fort Bend Children's Discovery Center. My name is Iliana. Thank you so much for joining me today for this educator moment. Today I have a fun, easy craft activity that once complete will take us outside to get some fresh air and exercise. So let me show you some of the items you'll need for this activity. All right, so today we are going to make a paper frisbee that you can take outside and play with your friends. The supplies you will need for this activity are markers, a glue stick, tape, or a stapler so that you can connect your two pieces of paper plates, and scissors. So the first step that we're going to do is we're just going to cut out the middle of our paper plate. All right, put that aside and you're going to do that a second time. All right, now that we have two pieces of our frisbee, we are going to head and decorate them. All right, now that we have both of our frisbee pieces decorated, I'm going to just go ahead and attach them with the tape. All right, now that we have completed our frisbee, we can go outside and play with it. All right, now that we're outside on this beautiful day, you can grab a friend, grab your frisbee, and play catch. Thank you guys so much for joining me today for this educator moment right here at the Fort Bend Children's Discovery Center. My name is Iliana, and I'll see you next time.